G'day and welcome to Truck and Bus TV. I'm Jon Thomson. We're here today at the launch of Volkswagen's Transporter 6.1. It's an upgrade of the Transporter 6. They've got a whole array of vehicles from goods carrying transporters through to people carrying multivans. So we're going to climb aboard and see how they go and report back to you. Notably, the new Volkswagen Transporter 6.1 receives an array of new standard safety and convenience technology, including front assist with city emergency brake, crosswind assist, side assist including blind spot monitoring, rear traffic alert as well as multi-collision brake, and on a more convenient note, they also get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. All of the T6.1s we sampled performed extremely well on a short test route, impressing with their drivability, manoeuvrability, quietness, responsiveness and overall ease of operation. Probably the biggest improvement for the Volkswagen Transporter is the new electromechanical power steering system they've fitted. This replaces the old hydraulic system. It's much nicer to steer the car. It gives better assistance and better feel through the wheel for the driver, and also drags less power out of the engine for greater fuel efficiency and efficiency overall. There are in fact 49 different variants in the new range, with a choice of short or long wheelbase, high or low roof, dual or single cab light truck chassis, and there are 3 2-litre turbo diesel engines ranging from 81 kilowatts to 146 kilowatts depending on the model. You can also choose between either a 5-speed or 6-speed manual or VW's own very good 7-speed DSG Auto, again depending on model and engine. Drive is standard front wheel or optional 4-motion all-wheel drive. The variation and range of specs are just too numerous to detail here, but they are extensive and infinitely variable depending on your application, budget and desire. The T6.1 range spans a vast price spectrum, as I said, from about $38,990 for the entry-level Transporter TDI 240 with a 90 kilowatt 2-litre TDI and 5-speed manual, right up to the $92,990 model, which is the headlining new age camper, the California Beach, with a twin-turbo TDI 450, 146 kilowatt 2-litre turbo diesel, mated to the 7-speed DSG, and of course 4-motion all-wheel drive. VW's quoted average fuel consumption is about 6.1 litres per 100 kilometres for the entry-level TDI 250, up to about 8.4 litres per 100 kilometres for the more powerful and heavier variants, which are pretty impressive fuel numbers if they can be matched in real-world conditions. The revised dash panel features open stowage compartments, drink holders and a lockable glove box, with either the new 6.5-inch composite colour touchscreen infotainment display or a fantastic 8-inch Discovery Media touchscreen display, again depending on the model choice. It's clear the Transporter, no matter which form it comes in, is far more than a white box on wheels and delivers versatility, practicality and customisation. We can tell you the Transporter is still the best handling, most impressive performer in the van market, and despite being a premium offering these days, still delivers a very attractive package whether you're moving freight, tools, your family and friends, or paying passengers. There you have it, the new Volkswagen Transporter 6.1. I've got to say I'm very impressed with it. They've done a fantastic job, as they always do. They invented this sector way back when with the Volkswagen Combi. This is now the 6th generation, or the 6.5 generation if you like, of the Transporter. And it's just evolved and gotten better every time. It keeps getting safer, more efficient, and that's certainly the case with this new model. We can't wait to take one on a longer drive and show you exactly how they perform out on the open road. But until then, that's all we've got today from Truck and Bus TV. Take it easy, drive safely, and we'll catch you next time.